Trench boys, hi. Not by me now, shake. Baggy no be my. Mohamed Ali, Shalai, oh yeah, stay back. For one more see ballet, see back. When I call out like say you're not so. What? For my phone. I'm strapping my 4-4. Highway like Bonnie and Clap, let the broco. This one a bang guy jam. Come back on, yeah. I'm the man, and nobody bad like the man. See the cutie Maya and the man. When we come around steady on the man. We don't kid and play, go ask you guys. Where the girl and they South Africa. We just want to play, we just want to happy, just holiday.
Tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride.
Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta.
And Crazy, aka Emenari, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5 Ebona DFM.
Ọmọ yìí kò kàkú. Ọmọ lórí Dangote, ó ní láti jagun. Ìgbádùn ayé bọ̀ lẹ́yìn ìpọ́njú. Má bẹ̀rù lójú. Sun's gonna shine on everything you do. Ọmọ náà wò lè wá kú. Àbútí gbé bá kú. No dey come say you jáde, try to dey kaku. And you celeste handles my situation on my face, my troubles. Steady light in my candle, just love you, dey follow the struggle. Sun's gonna shine on everything you do. Sun's gonna shine on everything. Happiness on the way. Oh my God, I thought my fire to look it. The money, me I'm a shake. What my shake it. Don't say we are don't see the I be over, you know, I do it. That was okay. I mean, that was shit. I saw me, I know people. Jamal over me, no this sort of. Sala. When you really get a sort of. Sala. Come on, listen, mommy, Joe. 24 karat sassy, Vijasi, and classy, Mati, bad boy from starting, no Miami, Illuminati, Omaiko Kaku, Obelobi, Dangote, only like Chicago. Gbádùn ayé bọ̀ lẹ́yìn ìpọ́njú, má bẹ̀rù lójú. Sun's gonna shine on everything you do. Ọmọ náà wò lè wá kú, àbúrò gbé bá kú. No dey come say you jáde, try to dey kaku. And you celeste handles my situation on my face, my troubles. Steady light in my candle, just love you, dey follow the struggle. Sun's gonna shine on everything you do.
Yes, Aboni when depression, you see that depression. Shut up. About this time here, you will disturb Madna Naija on a very good day. You have to go. Once there is life, there is hope, and that's why we must always hope that the sunshine, will shine on everything we do today. That the King of Kings and Lord of Lords will shower His blessings. You have to go. And I am like when we go to about the 28th day of February 2024. Say and we are impact. You have to go. Metal.
Classic.
Yes, I wish you go. You have to go. Call this a course. I don't know to.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. day, just another year, getting behind you are the best. You for the rest.
Akụkọ oti kpọju yọtago na this particular edition of Bit the Splash Debo na the 103.5 FM. In anya around you as a Nigerian, there were a lot of things in Nigeria. Yeah, in where he gave you a wee way at the end of the day. A lot of things going on around us. But if we look onto the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, only the happy I got to go, knowing that he will make our days better. Yes, yesterday on but to Yotago and I Kwoku Bastalo, strike, and at the end of the day, I call where off. No man continue quasi today, but Lekuna anywhere, huge success. But it's a good day for us to know that now, anywhere opportunities that we can adapt to on a very good day. Those opportunities are presented to you here in Ebon at the 103.5 FM. All you have to do is just step in. Beyond Ebon at the 103.5 FM Leofin Residency Hotel, no Gidaba. It's all done. I cover some of the things you need to make. One job on a very good day. And well, so many opportunities out there. You have to go, and one of the ways, since you now illustrate here now, since this week, we cover now only key is with your commodities, services, online on a very good day. We are here to work with you. One of the illustrations were below, my book. Hip hop and Igbo culture. Go check it out on Amazon.com. Or you do all the possible. It could be done. Akoko Oti Boju. We have a lot of things to talk about this morning. What we do here is your party. You get involved. Messages 20096661035. Slow motion this time 08096661035. And then you become part of the celebration. You have to go, okay, hand celebrate around you this morning. We want to celebrate with you. Get involved, send SMS and WhatsApp messages to that number. Celebrate to your opponent and celebrate around you because they celebrate when it comes to your day, we will celebrate you as well. Yes, I seen when MLO you have to go the zoo life for the Africa when they disappear little by little. And over in Africa, and one of that time, maybe a pampa crocodile. And I say, you see such a beauty. This crocodile is so beautiful. Africa, they interested in Mabuya Uzbo, Wakasia Uzbo, Boyan Okuzbo, Taya Uzbo, one interested me, and I said, no crocodile. Akoko Oti Boju. We start off with the celebration because now we're going to celebrate today. If you're not getting involved, we celebrate you as well. Today is the birthday of Michael Bisping, English mixed martial artist, born February 28, 1979. So we say happy birthday to him this morning. Happy birthday! It's unfolding Ketafo. Yes, today is also the birthday of Brian Jones, British multi-instrumentalist, founding member of the Rolling Stones, born February 28, 1942. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday. It's unfolding right about Ketafo. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Yes, today is also the birthday of Annabelle Acosta, American actor, film actor, and television actor, born February 28, 1987 in Havana. So we say happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's unfolding right about it. I get celebrated this morning, and right about now, I am about Buzi and I celebrate, and Deacon celebrated this morning. Yes, kind of bata Naija onwere kwuru na ihe gbasara bet na this year na ga eme resolution yatago na mana bet is otu asị ya akwụsịzi bet ọsị mba na ya ga na bet mana na ya ga na mind is the way esi bet ị ga ya ji bet zikita na ama bet na football no yatago na okpok ya ga na bet na yatago so that ya bet si ogbo na ya lose ego ya ka ya dị sure na etigo onye ameli fo ji we lose ego ya efe akụkọ otikpoju. Yes, I have Batago Naija kita for I celebrate ndị ike celebrating na Naija today and today. Can one again today with the birthday of a massive Nollywood actor, even a musician on a very good day. He goes by the name Ken Eriks. Born February 28, 1985 in Kano State. So we say happy birthday to Ken Eriks. Happy birthday. All the go kosa de yota go oboze any molo Ken Eriks mana you nwe yen na Nollywood ji ame nwe nke na ejila afia on a very good day. You can see money I na-ekwu when it comes to Nollywood. Yota go. Yota go. Today is also the birthday of Kawala, a Cameroonian politician born February 28, 1965 in Ibadan. So we celebrate her this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Human number 08096661035. WhatsApp and SMS. Yes, today is also the birthday of Onyelekere Stanley Amuzie, Association football player, Nigerian Association football player, born February 28, 1996 in Lagos. So we say happy birthday to Stanley. Happy birthday. Yes, today is also the birthday of Badmus Babatunde, a footballer, born February 28, 1986. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. On our part happen right about now. You have to go celebration galore. Birthday, Onyekachi Nwoha, born February 28, 1983. Is what Onyelekere na baka no we we say happy birthday to him this morning. Happy birthday. It's unfolding. Ketafo. Yotago Olubego Mbojabo. And as we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction guaranteed. Yotago from the information, entertainment, Yotago all of them put together. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akụkọ otikpoju yotago otu ozi adị n'ụtụtụ a. Akụkọ nke izi anyị ji webata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ gbasara ndị Igbo aja n'isi ihe ifu nke ikpeazụ a adịọzi ka ihe gbasara ụka ka a na-emezi n'obodo ahụ. A situation whereby na ịbịazie n'ụlọ ụka ọ dịka yotago ndị karat masters bụ ife n'ebe ahụ. Ịmara ndị karat masters a na-adị ebukwa onwe fa ka ndị pastọ on a very good day. Ha na-adị edebe onwe fa ofuma anya kwụrụsịa mana mgbe ebido ke ma masta mgbe aka ya nọ nwa na-amata ebidogo. The thing is, enwelo n'ụlọ ụka yotago after n'ụlọ ụka bụ Shepherd, I think ya na Osun State ka o mee. never come. So mono the shepherd in charge, Bonye Akubu Halefa, the shepherd in charge of CCC Grace of Comfort Parish, na Ileife, Osun State, Kihano Weneme. Or na pastor, na assistant ya no kata nwebe argument. Na enwe argument to the level na ha megidezi the argument or whereby na enu ogo. Assistant pastor where welu mabu pastor. And ekwu no mabu pastor. Pastor you kwano no, you know, Sultania, oyi ibe you know the weblo pastor. The man light of Sultania, nwoke mbeku oku na emi. Mana se na keta afọ yotago na pana bụ the man nwanwu etige na morgue. And then onye nke mwele ọkụ bụ hejel on a very good day. Nwanne nwaanyị ka ihe nwe ekwu na nke aka igwe na akapa n'iru still.
Well, akụkọ ka nwekwara otu expect na oge aga na anụ na ụlọ ụka ma ya fọdụzịa because ọ na chọọchị ka ya bụ ife nọkwa wee mee ya fọdụzịa na ndị nke bụ ndị isi ndị nọ n'isi maka ya bụ ụlọ ụka bụ ife dị involved. Amor ife bụ ihe na-eselu ha okwu but no matter what anyị maara na ihe ha nọ ya bụ ọlụ Chineke ka ha na-alụ ha na-eje Chineke ozi and anyị na-enwekwa na expect na anyị ga na-afụkwa ebe na omume fa na ọ bụrụ ọsọsọ ịdị na-ekwu ya n'ọnụ to an extent na anụbala ọgụ si ebe ahụ wee banyezie na nke iwu na ịmụnyekwuru ya ọkụ n'elu ya ma anyị aghọtara ife na-eme kịta ọ bụrụ ife atụbara anya na ndị nke Chineke ga na-eme and onye nke nwụrụ anwụ bụ onye isi ogbughị ọnwụgwụ ya nwabụzi ife dị ndụ na onye nwa ya kọwazi ihe meenụ but o wutere eziokwu otu ya bụ ife si wee mee ọ bụrụ ife a na-eme expect n'ụlọ ụka ọ ya ka eji wee na-ekwu na ọ bụrụ ọsọ ịdị na-akpọ Chineke n'ọnụ na ekwesị n'ime obi anyị anya na-ewelukwu
na-emepụta ife ekwu n'omume na because ihe mmadụ enwere ọmanye nwe ya yotago Bible ji gwa anyị na by their fruits you shall know them so not by ifu fruit a ka ihe jiwe na ọ bụrụ by na the man of God ife okwu taa ka nkụ nya ife preach taa eno preaching mara o preach so na-emekwa ife ahụ okwu ọya bụ ihe niile anyị yotago situation where by na anyị na-enejezili fanya kịta fadezi yotago ka ndị masters karata a na-ekwu on a very good day ya ị na-enejezili ị na-ene anya feel not just the word of God. Mama na adi ready epeli at one time. Man, all the clothes see the this morning. Why you feel na ya be focus on food right about it up. Yes, based on FNMS and Nigerian key as well, a lot of people advocate for the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu during the election. Some of them only because this, this man, steer the affairs of the country. One of them, Webulu Cheilo, Yotago Otegumbo, or Piasukwa, Asia Ese Gene or Samba no only is it up Talia, my brother, and I have to go video being a Kusuna Siki Diago Befa, Gay dependent go die or if I can. Only is it Kusula in Kusu Abu Idris Abu Karim, say brother, I look in one and campaign. I look if you now what tapas and keep as well, West Yaka wife Yakul of no one boss anybody go and vote for Mr. President. No one boss anybody. Go and vote for Tinubu. Niaku, Niano na go see fall on a Lagos. No one else on Niago Siciliano, no one go and vote for him. Anyway, I'll go see the one why came with one watch a law and go on a wine or to a when I got one little still.
Well, I'm going to lotus with Archie, Macano, or your Bonamalo, Elbow. Yes, and he ended in Oku as a monoty has where is there now, Elbow. Abiasana attack is Yaka Sinam. Oh, where feels there like him. Yes, before if I had that thing, man, and I was a non go. No one maybe go that way. And young Lulu Asuro, so on my body on a very good day. Also, Tipam Punogi before that. Oh, what you also want to give me? I want to take out. Go talk all way. But what he had about whether more support or only open our support to all the free. Nigeria the free support when you support. Yes, so very fair then but here this in the album now about original attack attack on here didn't like it up as Nigeria. But government more individuals so no bona I'm all targets we move our country forward. I be fed the line.
What can you put the square get put your no yeah. Osina you know the president 8.9 million votes come with it. Now I will just one vote, vote. No one more wagon on yake actually. I came before I be when I go Makani, I've seen a need keep us in our port now. Okay, where the man keep as well. However, we find idea about Yotago in firearms. Mbana they put advocate the same Nigerians need firearms. How we so if one goes out there, also na kede kan wa Kobe we je na port ni tie je kulun without permission on a very good day. And if we belong keep us there, the boy will chapel the thing. And nanya wana go na agba no ya belu we wele egbe gba nwa nwoke de banana. Nyakwa ka be face a man identified as Marcel Ude from Umunochi, local government area of other states. Where police are ejide geketa aka na aba hogi afa aka maka na ogbu nwa nwoke. I said his son's offense, according to a community source, was that he returned home and ate the last portion of food in a pot inside the family's kitchen. Like, and dog go this boy. Now, what can one in the kitchen? Can you not on a kitchen now? Lapu mama, I can't make a kitchen now. And also, according to the story, Mr. Ude was enraged that his late son, could enter the kitchen to take the food without getting permission from his father. One no why because he will makanka. Only one bonded in charge of the kitchen. Or two a case operate the kitchen now.
Forgot now. I don't work about the kitchen. No, you can have.
Yeah, well, but as in a kitchen. Now, well, belly.
Yeah, well, I got or because we have mute now all go this extent because a father got us in and now overall Makani. Although a hungry man is an angry man whichever way. So because now go away we do where chef now no nikwa that's now okwaya likwalia and now where to now go here they water so and obura you get you where balozangwa where so we because now I go and oga watakwa na ago na gugu nwa too.
Yes, na ago go level ojije
and the na need ni tell ebros ibu da much.
No buru. So don yin na agbasele de mbofo ka olie ni ka ihe iji buze na agba mbọ ekeli odo ndị bụ ụzọ jide ewu ndị security ke ya odo wele atụkwasa n'elu nwa ya ka ọ na-enene nwa ogbu before we kpọbazie police na abịa mbulukwa police we dazie we buruzie we mebe. Anyway, all the go city. Right about Kitafo, I want to call message. Say good morning to you, Honorable Sam Metal and Basky Lady. Classic. It is me. Then I am in front seat today. Let's drive to the bus stop. Then my brother. We'll rock this wheel till it falls off. And the wheel will never fall off. We'll continue rocking because the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, all GCIEK on a very good day. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Akoko oti boju. Okay, man, the splash of joy, splash of happiness, splash of gene, bagam in somebody's account this morning. On a work advice sometimes, ndo Kenya mapaka ya bo Kenya se me fa to no na ase ya bo Kenya. Ke mu na bo makaketa. Ine me mu idifi ne ku. Iye mi na aka na aposi on a very good day. And one bolo ihe gbastalo Judy Austin no bu munye yol edo opota wese ke anya young girls advice. E bo no ni me the advice ko no na enye na akọwa. Se Fabico put relationships and men away. That's your goal should be the main thing. Before men, you have to go give me a goal. And your goals should be you should study more. You have to go follow on a very good day. On social media. Oh, for nega kwante sina antina agbafoku. Anokata ofu brother sina azo wepota sepa onane onye kun nega nti onya. Kedu ki esi we anye fe nwelo? Why would you be saying all of this? Brother putale fa we bolo mmado agwu. Uche mmadụ agwụ nyotago ọpụta dị azafi ọfụma si ana mmadụ agwụ to down and based on the agwụ nwanne nwa ya gbazina ndị ifa because now your body na on since I on na ndị advice on onye pụta no afia bụ mmadụ agwụ dapụtara wee si nwaanyị a akụkọ oti kpọju nwanne m nwaanyị ka ị wee kwu na nke a na mmadụ wepụtara obi ọcha
okay Jude kwesịrị ịdị na-enye that kind of advice because na onye ọbụla fụrụ otu ihe mee nọ otu ya na DS wee bido na otu o si wee na-agakwa now so no feeling na ọ bụrụ the best person ekwesịrị ịdị na-enye the advice but ife uche na echefu bụ na most times ụfọdụ na-esi na experience ha na-achọ ka ha kọwalụ ndị ọzọ ka ha wee ghara ime the same mistake or something like that maybe na ọfụgo na nekwa ya mere ma maybe na otu ya si wee ga about it na ọ dịrọ mma ka enye ka ndị na-etolite ya bụ ndụmọdụ ka ha wee ike wee ghara
iwe bụ na the advice esitiri ọfụma because na ọ bụrụ na ọka ha wee gaa yọtago ụzọ a anyanwa si wee gaa on a very good day nyanwa na aka ọgụrụ si ya pụta na ka ha ghara efu ebu. Now, the thing my father, that Mr. Gregory Kezie, when you are if you go on preach the word of God, and antique, make sure antique. That means what I mean is that, like, on a very good day, anybody you can perspective of Ebusi Apota. You remember that now, Phinehas, perspective of Ebusi Apota. You remember that now, Phinehas, only prophesy about the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Upper enemy through him. Akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji webata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ na o nwere Kiliwi Nwachukwu yọtago polisi mere ya na aka na abụghị ya ofu aka very good day 26-year-old woman yọtago dapụta nnọọ on February 21, 2024 mmadụ
na o nwere ike ifiri like
last line.